The benefits of drinking alkaline water on a regular basis are well known, but with all the water filter options springing up on the market, which one to choose? Which provides the best value? Our experts have researched and reviewed the 7 top-rated alkaline water filters. We'll explain the differences between each model to find the best fit for your needs and get healthier drinking water. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with our top choice is the Tyant Ace 13 Extreme Water Ionizer Machine. The Ace 13 comes with an incredible 13 platinum-coated titanium electrode plates, the most of any ionizer on the market. This is the secret behind its ability to produce water with a pH of between 1.7 to 12.5 alkaline. The bigger plates means more surface contact area to turbo boost your water with antioxidant-rich alkaline benefits. For the purest drinking water, tap water flows through an electrolysis chamber, zapping germs and bacteria in its tracks. The Ace 13 also uses an industry-leading 0.01 micron filter to guarantee 99% water purity whenever you want. The beautiful brushed stainless steel outer casing houses a motion-activated flow sensor for easy, hands-free dispensing with zero waste. While the next-generation LCD touchpad display has 7 presets, so you can only dispense the exact amount of water needed at your precise alkalinity level. Select the number of therapeutic levels of molecular hydrogen with the turn of the lighted dial. The best part? The Ace 13 installs in under 10 minutes. Simply set the machine on your counter and it easily connects with your kitchen faucet for instant alkaline-rich water. Pros: it includes 13 titanium electrode plates for maximum water alkalinity, has a state-of-the-art digital control panel, constructed with high-quality stainless steel, comes with a 75-day return policy and a Tyant Platinum lifetime warranty. And the cons? A more premium-priced option. Next at number 2, and the best pitcher option, is the Invigorated Water pH Refresh Alkaline Water Pitcher. If you're looking for the most incredible tasting alkaline water from a pitcher, the pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher is your go-to. The Invigorated Water Pitcher works using multi-stage filtration to remove impurities from your water like chlorine, fluoride, and lead, while making sure that you get to keep all the essential minerals in water like magnesium and calcium, so you can enjoy the benefits of fresh alkaline water at home. This alkaline water pitcher filter features an anti-slip design with an easy grip handle to make it safe to use for anyone in the family. And its large capacity is capable of holding up to 3.5 liters of water, and its pH 001 filter can purify up to 96 gallons of water throughout its lifetime. The lid features a filter life indicator, so you know when it's time to replace the filter. Constructed with premium quality BPA-free plastic, the Invigorated Water pH Restore Alkaline Water Pitcher Filter has passed the highest quality tests, which is why it's considered by many as the best alkaline water filter pitcher on the market today. Some of the pros include long filter life of 96 gallons, removes harmful contaminants while increasing pH water levels, includes filter replacement indicator, large 3.5 liter capacity with fast filter flow rate, and the cons: the extra pH 002 UF membrane filter is sold separately. Filter replacements can add up. At number 3 is the best RO option, the Express Water 10-stage reverse osmosis system with alkaline water filter for added essential minerals. Discover how pure, clean, healthy filtered water should taste. Express Water's Reserve Osmosis RO filter removes up to 99.99% of harmful metals, chemicals, and contaminants, while the proprietary alkaline water filter incorporates a unique active mineral technology to add healthy minerals to your water. Water initially flows through the sediment filter to remove dirt and dust. Next, in stage 2 and 3, granular activated carbon and activated carbon block filters remove pollutants and VOCs. The 4th stage, RO membrane, removes lead, arsenic, and other harmful metals and impurities. Stage 5 through 9 use alkaline remineralization filters to add healthy minerals, oxygen, and antioxidants. Finally, the 10th stage, post-activated carbon filter, grabs any remaining impurities to provide you with the healthiest alkaline drinking water. The best part is, the Express Water system is easy to install. Its under-sink design is out of the way and saves you money on professional installation. If you're looking for a comprehensive RO water filtration system with added alkaline filter for water remineralization, the Express Water system is a top contender. The pros include it's NSF certified to reduce 99.99% of lead, TDS, chlorine, and more. Alkaline water filter increases pH level and adds healthy minerals to your water. Produces up to 100 gallons of pure water a day. Easy installation and responsive customer support, and it includes emergency leak detector. The cons? Upgrades like UV water filter and deionization water filter are sold separately. Next, at number 4 is the Ionizer machine runner-up, the Aqua-Ionizer Pro Deluxe 9.5 Water Ionizer. Aqua-Ionizer has done it again, besting themselves with a new, state-of-the-art design, 9 solid titanium plates, and 400 watts of force. Filtering and ionizing your tap water never looked or tasted so good. Choose from 7 healthy water options, including 4 continuous ionized alkaline water filtration options, a purification feature, and 2 ionized acidic presets. The Deluxe 9.5 delivers a pH range of 3 to 11.5 and boasts an oxidation reduction potential of negative 900 MV. The Aqua-Ionizer Pro Deluxe 9.5 water ionizer's easy-to-read LCD touchscreen lets you ionize and purify your water with a single touch. High-density felt activated carbon and sediment mesh filters built into the Aqua-Ionizer work in tandem to filter and purify your home's water. The Aqua-Ionizer Pro Deluxe 9.5 water ionizer will even self-clean after every 10.5 gallons filtered. With all this filtration power and lasting technology, it's no wonder Aqua-Ionizer Pro Deluxe 9.5 water ionizer is a frontrunner for best countertop alkaline water filters. Its pros include that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and the Aqua-Ionizer VIP lifetime warranty, an easy 10-minute installation with any kitchen faucet, self-cleaning functionality, antioxidant boost technology and a pH from 3 up to 11.5, oxidation reduction potential of minus 900 for anti-aging. The cons include that it only has English language, compared to some other models with multiple language options. At number 5 is the best countertop option, the APEC MR1050 Alkaline Countertop Water Filter. If you want an installation-free alkaline water filtration system, consider the APEC MR1050 Alkaline Countertop Water Filter. How easy is the APEC to install? Set it on the counter and twist the connector into your faucet and enjoy the benefits of alkaline-rich water. Packed into its small, 10-inch tall, 6-ounce design, the APEC uses unique 5-stage filtration media to reduce common tap water impurities, including sediment, pesticides, chlorine, and other harmful contaminants. The APEC countertop filter also uses a KDF 55 filter to reduce heavy metals like lead and iron. Lastly, in stages 4 and 5, healthy minerals are added to your tap water to enhance the water's pH level to alkalinity to ensure the water tastes great and is clean and healthy. Despite its small size, the countertop unit still boasts a high flow rate of 1 gallon per minute, so you can fill up a cup of water in seconds. And because of its compact design that requires no electricity, the APEC can be used anywhere from kitchens to apartments, tiny homes, and RVs. Its pros include that it reduces heavy metals, bad taste, and up to 99% of chlorine. It adds minerals to enhance the pH level to alkalinity, comes with a 1-year warranty, professional and courteous customer support, and easy installation in under 10 minutes. The cons include that it does not reduce TDS, and it cannot be used with well water. At number 6 is the best budget option, the APEC Water System's Alkaline Mineral pH Plus 6-stage reverse osmosis water filter system. Filtering a whopping 75 gallons per day, the APEC reverse osmosis water filter system uses 6 stages of filtration media to remove up to 99% of contaminants, VOCs, and heavy metals, up to 1,000 plus impurities. The unique double carbon block filters are designed to achieve maximum chlorine and chemical removal in drinking water. Unlike some filtering alternatives, the APEC is also capable of filtering total dissolved solids at 2,000 ppm. The US-made filter cartridge uses food-grade calcium for proven water pH enhancement, so you can enjoy pure drinking water with added minerals for improved alkalinity and fresh taste. Every component of the APEC reverse osmosis water filter system is thoughtfully manufactured using food-grade materials. The system comes with a lead-free faucet, plus food-grade tubing and parts to ensure safe, contamination-free water. Installation can be a quick DIY project with the step-by-step online installation videos and detailed instruction manual. And APEC backs up each reverse osmosis water system with an above-industry, standard 2-year extended manufacturer warranty. The pros are that it removes up to 99% of contaminants. It adds high-purity calcium carbonate to effectively raise pH in the water. Easy DIY installation. WQA Gold Seal certified. The cons? Does not include upgrades like UV light sterilizer. At number 7 is the best water dispenser option, the Invigorated Water pH Recharge 3F Alkaline Water Filter Dispenser. Like their ergonomic alkaline water filter pitcher, the space-saving and sleek design of the Invigorated Water pH Recharge Countertop Alkaline System makes it a great alternative to a more complex filtration system. The Recharge 3F utilizes 3 powerful and proprietary multi-stage filters to remove heavy metals, harmful contaminants, bacteria, and sediment, while keeping the water fresh and perfectly pH balanced. And since it's made with BPA-free, food-grade materials, you don't have to worry about contaminants leaching back into your filtered water. The pH Recharge supplies plenty of fresh filtered alkaline water throughout the day, with a huge holding capacity of 2.4 gallons, measuring 11 inches tall by 13 inches long by 8 inches wide, and weighing only 3 pounds. The Recharge 3F is still easily able to fit in the fridge for chilled water. Invigorated Water manufactures the pH 001 filters, which are built to last 96 gallons before replacement. That filtration power equates to an impressive 288 gallons. In comparison, that equals 2,160 single-use water bottles. Pros: it has a huge 2.4-gallon water capacity. Adds essential minerals to increase pH water level. A great value. And powerful filtration. Cons: the filter replacements can add up. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.